Hey guys, this is Chris from Unbox Addiction, and here's just an open unboxing and opinion of the first generation Apple Pencil. I bought this for my 6th generation iPad to take notes in class. I'm not going to bore you with the text and all that. I mean, this is almost a year and a half old, so let's just get to the unboxing. I bought it refurbished. There's just some warranty information for the person I bought it with. Bear with me, I'm operating this on one hand while holding the camera. There it says designed by Apple in California. Pull this little slip off, and there's the Apple Pencil itself. There's the plastic or the rubber tip. It's pretty long, and there's the cap. Put that down right there. Go ahead and see what kind of documentation is in it. Okay, there's an extra spare tip and the adapter to charge the Apple Pencil. You can also charge it in your iPad. As you know, you just stick it into the lightning port and have it stick out, but that's an option to use your adapter. Again, there's the tip. There's the adapter. One end goes in the behind of the Apple Pencil, then your Lightning Connect goes in the other end. Alright. And there's just a demonstration of how to charge it through the iPad. There's that one right there. Again, you stick it to the end of the iPad to charge it that way, and you'll use that to pair it. And there's the cap showing you where the Lightning port is. Alright. Just get rid of that. Let's get to the Apple Pencil itself. It actually has some decent weight to it. I was worried it would feel kind of light, but no, it actually has some decent weight. Again, remove the cap. There's the Lightning connector. Now, I've heard stories of people losing this cap. I'm not quite sure how, because it's attached by a magnet, and the magnet is actually pretty strong. I mean, it's pretty snug in there. It stays in there, so I'm not quite sure how people have been losing it, but I guess maybe they've just been putting it in a bag and it's just gotten lost. So I'll probably get there's plenty of things you get on Amazon that'll keep the cap in place. Alright, let me go and try to work on pairing this thing. My apologies if I sound kind of raggedy or nasally. I'm kind of getting over a cold. Anyways, here's my iPad. I put it in my case. My case has an iPad pencil or Apple Pencil holder. Let's go ahead and take this out. Again, we just gotta remove the cap here. Go ahead and turn that on, and we just stick it at the bottom through the lightning port. Again, bear with me. Operating on one hand. There we go. Alright, let me unlock it. And it should be up. There it is. It recognized it. Yep. Turn it around. So you can see, and just hit the pair button, and it should automatically be paired. There's no Bluetooth fumbling I have to do. That's it. So it should be paired to operate with this iPad. So let's go ahead and give it a spin. Let me go ahead and pull up one of my apps. Right here I have Good Notes. Let's try it out. There's a very little lag, so I mean, operates pretty well. I just have to get used to it. I'm so used to writing on paper. Me taking notes on this thing is just going to be a little getting used to. Again, I bought this for school. That's it. I'm not an artist or anything like that. This is just for taking notes in class. I'm still debating whether to use my iPad as my device for school or to get a laptop. But at the moment, I'm trying my iPad. So, testing the new Apple Pencil. So far, so good. Yep. Again, forgive my chicken scratch. Again, I am not used to writing on glass. And again, thanks for watching. And again, I'm using the app. It's called Good Notes. There are plenty of other apps on here, but I use Good Notes. I've heard a lot about it. I'll go ahead and erase this. But anyway, that's it. So far, I've had this thing for about a week, and I like it so far. I'll let you know in the future if it continues or if I get a laptop. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, well, I appreciate you watching anyways. You guys take care.